On October 17, 1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake shook Northern California, leaving an indelible mark on the region. Measuring 6.9 on the Richter scale, it caused the collapse of the Cypress Street Viaduct and halted the World Series mid-game. Residents recall the terrifying 15 seconds of unleashing nature's energy as buildings crumbled and power lines snapped. Displaced families recount their struggles amidst the chaos, highlighting human resilience in the face of disaster. Volunteers and aid workers rushed to assist, showcasing community solidarity and determination to rebuild. The Loma Prieta earthquake serves as a stark reminder of our planet's might and the enduring strength of the human spirit.